Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Good morning, guys. So today we are in the kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Join the Day One family by hitting that subscribe button. I heard it's running for free right now, so you can click it and just subscribe to the Day One family. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today we're in the kitchen. We got my mom right in the kitchen. I bought some bananas at the market a couple days ago, 2 days ago I think, and I'm gonna make some fritters this morning for breakfast. So I thought, why don't y'all join me in the kitchen? I've been in the kitchen a lot this trip, more than usual, honestly. Not just for breakfast. I'm gonna upgrade. So morning, mama.
Morning.
Morning, Papa.
Hello. Morning.
And here goes what our bananas that we're working with. I already peeled them. They're really ripe, so the fritters should be sweet.
Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds reach by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, going on a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing.
I hope y'all like kitchen vlogs because I honestly like filming them. I like being in the kitchen, taking some of my model with my own things sometimes. Y'all know I'm not that domestic. Well, I'm not gonna say that. When it comes to cooking, I don't really mess up with that. But I can do a thing. I can save a look of life. I think I'm cool with this consistency right here. So now it's time to start adding stuff. Fritters is my favorite thing, y'all. Like, it is like, I love it. I don't really like banana stuff, but fritters, I don't like saltfish fritters. So if you're a saltfish fritter person, good luck to you, because I don't like that. So anyway, I'm gonna sieve some flour and put it in here. I'm gonna show you, but before I do that, let's get closer. And let me angle on. All right. Every mistress knew them policy. All right, so here you go, the consistency and everything. I'm pretty cool with this. All right, so now it's time to add some brown sugar. I honestly don't have a measurement. I just try to make it not too sweet, but you know, sweet. It is a lot of bananas though, so this is cool, and you also just work it in. I like to work my ingredients at a time instead of like putting everything in. I usually just put everything in and whip it out, but my hand hurts, so I'm just whip this in. I think I overdid with the flour, so I'm gonna put some back. It's always intriguing to me, like how like I watch my grandmom just cook gracefully, like know the exact measurements, know like everything. It just always amazes me. So whenever I'm in the kitchen and I'm doing something and she's here, I'm like, mama, this enough, this all right, like, you know. Yeah, I'd be like, is this enough, is this all right? Because I just never know the exact measurement, or like I don't want to overdo or underdo. My problem is salt. Like, anybody asks you, I don't like salty things. Like, I'm more of a sweet but I don't really like salt, so like when I'm cooking, my food is always fresh. Ask anybody, always. So I'm just gonna work the flour in here, and it looks like I didn't overdo it because it's not thick. So I may have to go back in with some flour. I'm gonna check in with mama. But in the meantime, she stepped out. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take a little teaspoon and I'm gonna put some baking powder in there so that it can rise. Just a little turn ups. Doop. I'll just put a doop more. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna work that in as well. So now we have a nutmeg. I don't know how to crack nutmeg. Mama is also gonna help me with that. May I say, I didn't think me put too much flour in there, but look. Alright? That's alright, good judgment. Oh, my crack it. And then I shake. It look like a too thin?
Not sure. Thing there, give me that crack here.
What I'm talking about, gracefully, like just gracefully cutting it up. Me, would I probably crack it up? Crack it up. Alright, so now we need a little grater. I'm putting it back in the pack. I know the way to see what I'm doing.
You put something in there already? Vanilla.
See? All that me did forget. But mother, rally back. Some vanilla, y'all.
And you put baking powder?
Yep.
That's enough you put.
I want the angle so y'all can see. So you don't have to use nutmeg. You can use cinnamon, don't mama? Yeah, you can use cinnamon if you want. But you know, with our yard, so we are using the real thing. You feel like you want some more flour. And when I'm adding now, I'm just gonna add and rub because I don't want to overdo it. So let's see. I added a little bit. And we are done. So guys, I am clean and go because I don't like the one big clean at the end. So I'm gonna set this out with some flour. So we go wipe it off and ting because I don't like the big clean. Time to put everything back where they need to be. Over here. Alright. So you wanna make sure that your oil really hot. A tip that mama taught me is like dip the spoon in the oil. And then you wanna, so it needs to turn down. I'll take the time and first batch never come out so good though. I mean, this is not how it came out. I scooped it out. It was too soft. It needed more flour. So I added a new batch. These are frying way better because this was not it. So it's okay. It happens. Throw it out. Do it again. That's how you get better. Okay. All right. And don't judge because I'm showing y'all the good and the bad. Y'all should be very good. So them are fried way better. I kind of like, you can tell because these are moving around. The other ones were like sticking. Them are moving. Once I can. Oh, come on. Let's go. Let those fry, and when I'm done, I'm gonna come back. I don't even know what we're gonna eat with it. I might just eat it regular. I'm gonna feel like do anything else. Like it's so sweet by itself, but I'm gonna need nothing else. Yeah, so I don't know. Let's go. Okay. Face I do. Hey boo. We want with the fritters. Oh yeah, smile. Oh yeah? You don't ask me something?
Okay.
Tell me now. Alright, tell me. Tell me.
Oh, no, from.
Ah, please. Tell me where you tell me, boy. Guys, Franks, they ask me if I feel like look one out there. So I'm like, fritters can't eat by itself. You want to come make it, Franks? Hmm? You want to make me baby? Wait, don't tell me before that.
I feel like me,
No, you don't say, man. I'm at an awkward angle. I'm in the car. Say good morning. Andrew. That's my life? That way, Kyla. Where just do? Do it again. That's my life? That's not a smile, bro. Say, I can look boy Frank's them. It's fine now. They might have my cupboard now. I'm in the door. Mama go. My mommy, my kitchen partner. Here is the finished product. Nice, nice, nice. Sweet wanted Franks, so I made some Franks. So this is his plate. I'm not gonna eat only. He don't like sweets. It's very ironic that I call him sweets because he don't like sweets at all. Like candy, none of that. And these are sweet, so he probably gonna eat like maybe 3. I gave him 4, but he probably gonna eat 3. If I'm greedy or I'm hungry this morning, probably eat. If I'm hungry this morning, probably eat all 4. But like, that's why my shares to look a bit. But if it was like rice and something, we'd have a sugar share while it cause him eat enough. But when it comes to stuff like this, we're not really a breakfast. We're not really breakfast people. We just like, that's why we always like making Franks. Something like just quick and easy, nothing fancy. Plus, we can't get no produce. So like, I really want some ackee, some breadfruit and them some of them. But honestly, Papa always had those things. But one thing that's going on a lot nowadays is theft. So like, people are thief breadfruit, my teeth, I get them. My teeth, everything we have on the tree. So Papa got a little discouraged and not really planting much. So like, because by the time he plant them, if I go reap them gone. So he gets a little discouraged and chip some bad one. So yeah. So yeah, but that's fine though. I mean, he does what he can. We have some bananas right now. We have some plantains right now that I'll probably make throughout the week. But if you have some fritters, I just make that. As I said, I never really wanna nothing to eat with my fritters. So sweet one this, I'm gonna game this and call it a day. Hopefully y'all enjoy this little in the kitchen type of vlog. I don't know if it's long enough to put up, but I'm gonna try my best. Today, not really anything on the agenda. I really wanted to wash out some clothes, but it look like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna go waste my time. Probably wash them out tomorrow. And for the rest of the day, we probably go get Sweet's little brother because we kept promising him. I promised him, Sweets kept promising him for like 3 weeks now that he gonna come get him. And I promised him that I was gonna come get him yesterday. And I got busy with cleaning everything. By the time I was done, I was so tired. But so he don't know yet. I'm about to call their mom and say, hey, get them ready. So once we eat and take a shower and stuff, I'm gonna tie up a little bit. I'm gonna go get them. So they really want to come and play. He really wants to come and play like FIFA and stuff like that with Shav and his brother. So like, that's what we are going to do today. And then I'll probably throw some lesson planning in there. You know, I'm always lesson planning in the background, but I'm not gonna say every vlog because it's just taking over my life.
Remember the intro, come here. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your boy Checkerboard, and we are here representing for BrightAsDae. Yeah, I got Boston, you know, couple of brother sell some sweets. You know, we are sweets, man. Why? Representing for BrightAsDae. You know, when I play. Shadi make breakfast for my morning. She make banana fritters and Franks. So I feel Franks still. But you know, could I get some more fritters still? Because 4 fritters you put in there.
I know some tell them say me not put more than first of all, half of them spoil because I put too much banana and that in the flour. So me give the good one them, so me give 4 of them. But me I say pie so you don't like sweets and then some of them because you don't always eat off your fritters them.
I want fritters.
You don't always eat off your fritters them. So nobody come.
Oh.
You.
See how the floor
Yeah,
watch it.
I'm going to fizz up and come back.
You don't always eat off your fritters them. Don't do that. So y'all take down blender. Oh no, you take down blender for vlog. Hey, sir? Go for your accent. Wait, I put a crochet for me, babe. You know, so me can't manage that. Alright, guys, so I'm not on dinner duty per se, but I help out mama because mama gonna church and I will start fry the chicken by time. She probably reach back before me done fry the chicken, but I just want to start it out and stuff, you know, try to be as much as helpful as possible. Cause mama them get all, you know, them can't then have the young body against them. I have to use up the young body people them. I see you free. So I'm gonna put on the aisle right now for hot because you know the aisle for well. I can put my belly. Check out 6:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning. We get up and go work out. No sir. But if you follow you, by the time the next down here, look like oompa. We look like not even wake up or something there. Humpty Dumpty. You hear what I say? You know like you me bring up them the argument then, but I'm serious.
Them don't grind me. The lighting right, so we'll move some for.
The lighting, do you know why lighting change? Because they open the back door. That's
see lighting right, so.
yeah, but I'm sure you said here when we got the back door.
Your short, sir.
On the don't grind me.
6.
Go on sing now. On the don't grind me. Everything get when I reach. Alright, your puppy off?
That's why you puppy off.
No? Alright, nobody gonna leave here.
Okay.
Alright. So guys, I am lonely by myself, you know. No, I think Papa wrote this song, but I got all the vibes in the kitchen, probably listen to some Janae. And all the vibes. I just love this album. It never gets old. Oh, my phone is not connected. Shop, disconnect your phone. It's a play button now, play. Oh, there we go. Go figure. You are the trigger. My song, y'all. This is the song. Alright. But they are chat and the aisle are at. I don't really want the aisle to get blocked. So, come on. So first thing we do, I sieve the flour. Always sieve the flour, cause you don't want to weave them some of the in your flour. Come down here so. Make sure not see one of you see. As I say, always sieve the flour, cause you don't want to know what in there before you go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. You're frightening me, you know.
Oh, this bench dress.
Yeah. This is creative cooking with BrightAsDae. And then you get your orange. Eh? Yeah. You get your orange powder, whatever that's for me name, orange powder. Mixed seasoning and you put in your flour. Cause you want your fried chicken to have a look nice look what you call it here. You want your fried chicken to have a nice look color. Okay, so here's the seasoned chicken. I was just going to dip them in the flour. This been marinating all morning. When I was in the kitchen earlier cooking, Mama was seasoning it up and stuff. So yeah. There we go. I never remember say the neck in there, so the neck kind in a bun up but it dry. Like me know say this piece I got dry versus them here. Cause this did the way at the bottom. I want to put in the gizzard. I'm like neck, but me never put in one neck in there, so this is it right now. I am about to, we have a couple more pieces to go. I'm about to make my special sauce. It's not mine. and my mom and my grandmom does it. So passed down to me, it's on the right. So now I don't really like barbecue sauce and like that, and that's the idea of today's dinner, like barbie fry. But I don't like barbecue chicken. My grandma don't like barbecue chicken. Most of us don't like barbecue chicken. So I'm gonna make a sauce. It's like this tangy sauce. I don't know how to explain it. So here's our pot. Ketchup. You need a whole lot of ketchup. Then you get some brown sugar. You don't need that much sugar because, you know, I know I'm one ingredient at a time. So let's work this in. And then I'm gonna grate a small piece of ginger in there. Probably don't use all of it. Now you add some brown in. I always add it in my spoon first because this can go left really quickly. And I think I put too much, but it's fine. I'll just work it in there. I like mine to have like a tangy taste. I don't usually use this. I'm down here, so this is the closest thing. Pineapple ginger. Usually I use like any form of like lemon. You could probably see some lime juice in there. And just mix. And now it's almost time to taste it. So let's see. Need more sugar. Adding more ginger in it because I can't really taste the ginger, and I feel like that's what makes it, that give it that nice little tangish taste. I probably have to add a little bit more ketchup. Here we go. This is it. This is it. This is it. Last thing I'm gonna add to this is these 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. Just gonna cut them off. I'm gonna cut it because it gives it more of an effect. You don't have to cut it up fine, and I don't suggest, so you don't get it in people's food. Now it's time to take it on the stove. Let's go. So guys, I didn't get to show you how the finished product of dinner. This is actually Sunday, Monday. So this is leftover from yesterday. So dinner looked a little bit different yesterday, but this is what actually came out. This rice and beans, I'm gonna call it beans because this is not peas, is so good. So good. And that's my fried chicken right there. But yeah, this was dinner yesterday. Just a little bit more fancy. But this is Sunday, Monday, which means we're gonna heat it up and we're gonna reheat it and eat it for dinner today. If y'all like this video, love to see more videos of me and my grandma in the kitchen, you know, just me trying to get my cooking skills together, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.